The opening of your newly reconstructed office in Poland is a big moment. What benefits do you expect this investment to bring to your company?
Yeah, it indeed is a great moment, the reopening of our subsidiary. So we have almost doubled the size here and make place for a big tech center, also for training and after sales. So this means, for example, we have already had 800 to 900 trainings per year, and we can almost double this now. So we are here for the future and have enough space for our customers.
Could you tell us a bit more about this investment? When did you start planning the changes? How did the process go? And are you satisfied with the final outcome?
I started at the end, so I'm very happy, I'm very pleased with this subsidiary. It's a very nice building on a new corporate design, so everything looks smooth and to the new ENGEL standard. So the planning already started 4 years ago, but the initial building phase then took us 2 years. And yes, it was quite extensive because, as you can imagine, we redid the old building. We also had to increase the space, and it was a tricky thing. And I would say it's by the end the result is good, but it was quite a way to go. And I thank the team here very much because they had to go outside of the office in containers and other office spaces for almost 2 years, and now they're very happy that they're back. So thank you very much.
Poland seems to be playing an increasingly important role for ENGEL. How do you see your company's position and achievements on this market?
For ENGEL, Eastern Europe has always been very important and very successful. And right now the Polish market is, together with the Czech market, the number one, actually overtaking Czechia when it comes to incoming order. So by the end of the day, we have sold almost 6,000 injection molding machines in the last years here in Poland, comprising quite a significant market share. This is also why we built this building here. We have a lot of service technicians and are able to support you here, first and second level hotlining support, and with totally 80 employees here in Poland, I think we have a decent size in supporting our customers. So, and I like Poland, by the way, very much. It's a great country, and with a great future. And it's good to see also markets growing, which is especially true in these times.
Are you planning any further investments in the near future, such as in new facilities or in expanding your range of products?
You know, we are 7 days before the ENGEL show, so I must not spoil anything today. But what I can tell you is that we are right now building our automation plant together with TMA in Gdansk. So we will be happy to open this hopefully in May with 2,000 square meter. And of course, we have our Mexican facility and our Indian facility, which are ramping up right now.
How do ENGEL injection molding machines support your company's vision of new ideas? Can we call them machines of the future? If yes, why?
So, you know, our purpose and our claim is be the first. So our goal is always to be the first in innovation. And I believe that our machines, and especially what we show next week at the ENGEL show, they are at the frontier of what's possible in injection molding. If I can give you an example, is for example the digital systems which are boosted now with AI. And second is also the product portfolio, where we will introduce a new type-less machine, which I must not spoil today either. By the end of the day, I believe that we can help our customers, because this is the most important one. Innovation alone doesn't count much. It has to help our customers and support the customers. So by having the almost self-driving machine or self-driving machine, we are very close to this. And when it comes to energy efficiency and also availability, I think with our assistance systems, with our AI products, which comprises under Inject AI, we are really there. And I'm looking forward to also showing you the demo cell here and at the ENGEL show.